In this part, we will discuss about the symmetry elements in a cube. Total symmetry elements for a cube is equal to 23. Symmetry element involve all types of symmetries present in a cube. For a cube, symmetry elements involve center of symmetry, plane of symmetry and axis of symmetry, and the sum of all kinds of symmetries is equal to 23. That is, total symmetry elements for a cube is 23. Now, what do you mean by center of symmetry? Center of symmetry means an imaginary point inside the cube from where all the faces are equidistant. That is, an imaginary point inside the cube from where all the faces are at equal distance. There is only one center of symmetry present in a cube. Now, what do you mean by plane of symmetry? Plane of symmetry means an imaginary plane which divide the cube in such a way that the half part is the mirror image of the remaining half. Rectangular plane of symmetry means a rectangular plane between the two opposite faces passing through the center and which divide the cube into two equal parts. Between two opposite faces there is one rectangular plane of symmetry. Therefore, between 6 faces there will be 3 rectangular plane of symmetry. Second one is the diagonal plane of symmetry. Is the diagonal plane between the two opposite edges passing through the center. Between two opposite edges there is one diagonal plane of symmetry. Therefore, between 12 edges there will be 6 diagonal plane of symmetry. Total plane of symmetry includes the rectangular plane of symmetry and diagonal plane of symmetry, that is 3 plus 6 equal to 9. The last symmetry element is the axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry is the imaginary axis passing through the center, about which if a cube is rotated through a particular angle theta, then it gives 360 upon theta times same appearance. There are following types of axis of symmetry. The first one is the four-fold or tetrad axis of symmetry. In tetrad axis of symmetry, that imaginary axis is passing through the opposite faces and also through the center of the cube, and if cube is rotated through an angle 90 degree about this axis, then it gives 360 upon 90, that is 4 times the same appearance. Between two opposite faces we have one tetrad axis of symmetry. Therefore, between 6 faces we have 3 tetrad axis of symmetry. Second is the triad or threefold axis of symmetry. In this type of symmetry, an imaginary axis is passing through the two opposite corners, two diagonally opposite corners, and also passing through the center of the cube. And if a cube is rotated about this axis at an angle of 120 degree, then we get 360 upon 120, that is 3 times the same appearance. Between two corners we have one threefold axis of symmetry. Therefore, between 8 corners we have 4 threefold axis of symmetry. At last we have dyad or twofold axis of symmetry. In this type of symmetry, imaginary axis is passing through the opposite edge center and also through the center of the cube, and if about this axis cube is rotated by an angle of 180 degree, then we get 360 upon 180, that is 2 times the same appearance. Between two edges we have one two-fold axis of symmetry. Therefore, between 12 edges we have 6 two-fold axis of symmetry. Again, axis of symmetry involve four-fold axis of symmetry plus three-fold axis of symmetry plus two-fold axis of symmetry. Finally, we have center of symmetry equal to 1, plane of symmetry equal to 9 and axis of symmetry equal to 13, a total of 23 symmetry elements for a cube.